Hello, this is Mark Sabatella from Outside Shore Music, home of Mastering MuseScore. In this week's tip, I want to show you how you can add some space below the title frame of your score. This is a question that comes up often, and it comes up especially often when we're dealing with any sort of music that involves chord symbols, because chord symbols, sit above the staff, and they don't actually run into the title frame, but they do get a little uncomfortably close, and often there's plenty of room on the page where we could just kind of push that first system down. So I want to show you how to do that. We're going to do it not by fiddling with the system, but by fiddling with the frame. I'll select the frame, and then I'll come over to the Properties panel, and then you'll see here that there's a setting for the gap above and gap below. And what we're going to need to do is increase that gap below. So I will just start increasing it slightly and gradually until it feels like it's a good amount of space to me. I feel like I can probably go more. You just sort of eyeball it, decide what you think is a good amount of space to have. Depends on how much space you have to work with on the page. But anyhow, that's how you do it. By the way, that when you first change that number, you might not see a change because autoplace might be adding some additional space automatically. But just keep increasing that gap below figure until you get the amount of space you actually want. And that's how you can create space below the title frame.